We had someone comment recently and later delete it saying that manufactured homes are death traps. That's outdated and completely untrue. Let me tell you why. That myth and understanding comes from mobile homes that were built before 1976. Back then, there were not federal regulations or standards for safety. So, yes, these older homes did have issues. But today, manufactured homes are built completely different. Since 1976, every single one is built under the HUD code. HUD code is a federal law that strictly enforces safety standards all over the entire nation. It regulates fire safety, heating, electrical, plumbing, energy efficiency, and structural durability. Now let's talk about, are they safe in storms? This one gets a bad rap. Despite the stigma, manufactured housing can be just as safe as site-built homes in severe weather. Just as with any home, the installation and the foundation are absolutely critical for long-term safety. Little known fact, HUD code underwent updates in 1994. Hurricane Andrew had hit 2 years prior. With these updates that they did in 1994, they increased the safety and construction of manufactured housing. And the federal government upped the requirements for installation and anchoring based on home structure and wind zone rating. So all homes are wind zone rated. There are 3 classifications of wind zones: wind zone 1, 2, and 3. Very easy to remember. So this sheet is straight from our Alabama Manufactured Housing Commission's website. They are a state organization ran by the state government. Not all states have a Manufactured Housing Commission, but we do, and I'm forever grateful. Wind Zone 3 is going to be anywhere along the coast. So Keys of Florida down near Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Wind Zone 3. This all the way up the East Coast, that's where most of the hurricanes come. Then just north of that is Wind Zone 2. So most of Florida is a Wind Zone 3 and Wind Zone 2. And then just north and over this way is Wind Zone 1. So essentially this means that they are engineered and built to the environment that they're going in, just like a site-built home. I have a story all about how one of our homes withstood against Hurricane Michael in 2018. Now let's talk fire safety. Manufactured homes built after 1976 are proven to be just as safe, if not safer, than a site-built home in a fire. But why? The HUD code sets strict regulations on flame retardation, smoke generation, and safety standards. They're required to use flame-resistant materials. They have stricter electrical standards, and every bedroom has to come equipped with an egress window for a quick escape. These homes are built in a controlled factory environment, which can lead to a higher level of quality and consistency than a site-built home. So when someone calls them death traps, they're probably referring to a 1976 model, which is now 50 years old. It's a completely different era, and it's a completely different standard that these homes are built to. At Oxford Housing, we've been doing this for decades. We've seen how these homes hold up, and we stand behind their safety. So no, manufactured homes today are not death traps. They're safe, smart, and probably one of the best ways to become a homeowner. If you've got questions, we've got answers. Call us today or stop by and see us at Oxford Housing.